Amazing Entertainment, LLC. RJ's Amazing Entertainment, LLC is one of the top entertainment companies in northern Colorado, providing a variety of activities including outdoor and indoor games, face painting, airbrush tattoos, and more. Green Jean Vindy established her company on the principle of providing the best quality fun for everyone. Congratulations, RJ's Amazing Entertainment, LLC. Congratulations to all of our nominees and finalists. It is my honor to announce our 1 to 10 employee Small Business of the Year award goes to RJ's Amazing What an honor, you guys.
Yes.
You'd think as being an entertainer, I wouldn't have stage fright or get any nerves coming up, right? And I do this at some capacity all the time, but man, I didn't think we'd actually win. There's some fierce competition, like people who do a lot of good things in the community, and how truly humbling it is for us to receive this award and to be recognized at this capacity. Man. Thanks, Jeff, for telling me to write something down, just in case. Being a Fort Collins Chamber member has really skyrocketed our business in this brief period of time since joining. Through the Chamber, we've gotten to know many nonprofits, not-for-profits, and businesses that share our same ideals. And we've enjoyed getting to know these corporations and having the opportunity to partner with them all. The heart of RJ's Amazing Entertainment truly lies within our talented entertainers who spend hours of personal time behind the scenes learning their services, be it twisting balloon animals, magic, face painting, princessing, or learning how to be a superhero. Each of us really do want to bring our absolute best to every event. And if you guys could just come up here real quick, I want to recognize my team who spent so many hours and days with me practicing and going out in the community. And they deserve to be recognized for all their dedication and behind-the-scenes work to make every event truly memorable. Team RJ members are creative overachievers who love sharing their new ideas, designs, and training each other to be their absolute best. We wouldn't be truly amazing without these guys, so big round of applause. Take a moment and ask yourselves, how do you measure success? Is it the number of compliments you receive? How much money is in your bank account? Or could it be the number of people you've impacted in a positive way? I measure success to the amount of love a child receives, connecting with them, taking the time to learn their names, asking them questions, and engaging with the kiddos to ensure they feel acknowledged and loved. Watching a child bubble up with excitement, running around roaring after being transformed into a tiger, fills my heart with so much joy. It makes doing all those taxes and additional paperwork worthwhile. Every parent wants their child to feel loved and be treated kindly by others. In our business, they are the stars, and we do our absolute best to love them unconditionally and make them feel special. We know we did a good job when the client emails me or writes reviews months later saying how their child is still talking about our visit with her. We cater to thousands of families every year for the last 4 years at a variety of events scaling from an individual to more than 10,000. You can find us at employee appreciation events, grand openings, festivals, and of course, birthday parties. Every venue is different for us with specific goals in mind, and we consistently adapt based on what the event needs and what the client needs. Some want speedy services with short wait times and lines, while others want more detailed and intimate memories and give us the opportunity to take our time with each child. Regardless of what the event is, we love being of service to our community and desire to keep growing as a force of good. Looking forward to many more years of truly amazing entertainment service. Thank you for honoring my company today as a recipient of the Small Business of the Year and being recognized by the Chamber and our peers. It really means a lot to us, and no words can't express my depth of gratitude for today. Thank you.